Josh bought an Alexa for the shop. What's the first thing I did? Hey Alexa, fart.
That was a long and crispy one. Try asking me for a wet and squeaky fart.
Welcome folks, Slipknot here. Today we're up at BSG. Kyle's over there putting on the faceplates to the wall outlets. Today is a little bit more of a TLC day, a little bit like self-care, taking care of the small things, the little details. Recently I've been having a couple of issues with the Bonneville. Nothing too crazy. I had a dead battery, which, you know, you own a bike for 4 months, you really don't expect to have a dead battery. So I gotta check the date on the battery and figure that out. But other than that, I need to clean my chain. I've been really bad about that, and I've noticed how bad it's getting, and I can't not do this anymore. Hey look, all in one kit, awesome. As you can see here, my rims are super dirty, and that's from me over lubricating the chain and it just spitting grease everywhere. Whereas the front rim is just as dirty, it's just a different kind of dirty. So today we're gonna get Bonnie Ray a little bit of a bath, we're gonna brush her teeth, and we got leftovers from Josh's birthday party, so might be making burgers and having some whiskey in a bit too. Other than that, put that thing on the center stand and start scrubbing that chain. Brap's Our Garage, unofficially sponsored by Anti-Monkey Butt. When you start feeling rough, grab some monkey butt.
Sounds fucking good.
Alright guys, when it comes to working on any motorcycle, what is the first thing you gotta do?
Go to YouTube.
Now when I'm examining them, pay special attention to the chain and sprockets.
Alright, step 2 to working on motorcycles. Procrastinate. Did you know they made flaming hot Funyuns? Can't remember the last time I had a Funyun. Not that bad. Not that hot. It'll get done.
Yeah. It's in itself, right?
That's not how it works. Ooh, this is yummy. Get some.
What do you use to clean this off? Just water.
Some custom soap.
So?
Some custom soap. Josh is on his way up here, so I'm gonna ask him.
That's the third step. YouTube, procrastinate, ask Josh.
Speaking of procrastinating, got a new letter. Return address. Not doing that. I don't want to give other people's addresses. Wait, it's a P.O. box. Never mind. P.O. box. Return address. Toby, Northern, Kentucky. Cruising the Commonwealth and beyond. Hey Kai, you want to come read this for me since I can't read since I read like a third grader?
Hell yeah. Slipknot. First, congrats on getting into your new garage and your new business. I commend you in your courageous move to be your own boss. From your videos, the place looks great and I'm excited to see what you do with it. I've enclosed a sticker from my YouTube channel. Please consider checking it out and subscribing. Now I know of 2 small business MC shops to spread the word about. John Maxwell, Maxwell's Motorcycles, and yours. Keep the videos coming, stay healthy, and keep the shiny side up.
Thanks, Toby. The address is in the description down below. Now, let's go put this in the box. Did you see my new sticker on my box?
That's yours?
The new sticker on my box? My new favorite sticker on my box?
That's not the one with the Batwing fairing, is it? Oh, fuck yeah. Yeah.
To follow up on part 3, Sean showed up, more procrastination, hangout time.
Oh, am I in your way?
No, you are no way in my way.
Probably actually helped it, right?
Josh has yelled at me 7 times to get this done, and let's see, I can do it tomorrow. He told me to do it today. $30, cycle gear, awesome. Oh wait, I need it. Woo! You are lube. They're clean. Removes all filthy camera equipment. Fantastic. Unfortunately, we did the right thing and cleaned up after ourselves, so there's no cardboard or anything else to catch all this spray off. So I'm using paper towels because we had plenty from the party the other day. This should get messy. Go grab some gloves. I'm gonna start making a huge freaking mess, I guess. Oh, we're still recording. All right. So yeah. Wow, that's so nice of them to give you gloves. Going to go double check my work, and then we'll hopefully, if I didn't screw up the first step, we can step on. We can get to the lubing up step. So I went back and I double checked my work, and basically I was doing everything correctly. I was just being a little too light with it. So you really want to soak it down. So you really want to soak it down and get all the gunk off as much as freaking possible. So now that it's dried up a bit, because, you know, we're putting lube on top of degreaser, so now we're gonna lube it up. Leave that to dry. Be back in a minute. Hey Josh, what's the best Atari video game?
God, Sinistar?
Nope. Burger time.
Introducing Burger Time, the home video game where you're a chef being chased by food that constantly disagrees with you. Like hot dogs that have a taste for revenge.
Burger time! Burger time!
Now for Intellivision, coming this fall for Atari 2600, Apple II, Aquarius, and IBM home computers.
Burger time!
From Mattel Electronics, don't be surprised if you're on the menu.
There. snack time. Alright guys, this is where I'm gonna call it a night. I'm helping this guy out with his FXR real quick. And you know, it's been a fun day. Just an awesome shout out to all my patrons. You guys are awesome. I don't know what I'm saying.
Hell yeah. Awesome shout out to my friend.
I'm leaving that in too. So don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm gonna drink some more tequila, and I'll catch y'all on the flip side.
Wait a second. I just got that flip side thing. Because your name is Flip. How clever, dude.